Hey, hello guys, welcome your faces to the new tutorial on front-end web development course. Myself, Sam Jin from Frozen Lakes. Today we are going to see about the CSS Z index property and the CSS Overflow property. So first, let's see about Z index property. Actually, Z index property is nothing but defining how the element should overlap or underlap each other element in a particular area or container. Okay, so let's visualize it very easily. So let's make a div with class base. Again, let's make another div with class over. Then let's make a text over here. Let's type lorem 10. Now coming to the CSS part, it's called base and making the position to be relative. And then calling the over class, making the position to be absolute. I'm making left to be 0 as well as top to be 0. And let's make here height of 20 pixels and width of, let's choose 200 pixels. So for here, let's choose height to be 100 pixels, then width to be 100 pixels. And let's color this. So we can choose color background to be red, and here let's choose background to be blue. Okay, and let's choose 100 pixels. You can see this, right? And now having another text over here, let's choose a HR over here, then another paragraph of lorem 50. Okay, see, never mind about this thing, like it's going out of the particular div, which will be overcome in this part. So as of now, let's see about the Z index. So see, the first element, the parent element, is at the bottom of the particular area, like the red one, and the blue box which overlay on the top of the parent container, and the text is overlaying above it, right? So we are going to break that. So we just have to type Z index. So let's choose Z index to be -1. Okay, so I'm just saying it. So now the text as well as the over container will get behind the base. So see, after that you can see everything, right? So let's try what if happen if you use Z index to be -1 over here too. See, there is nothing other than normal. So I guess you all understood properly, right? So next we are going to see about the CSS Overflow property. So actually I'm going to explain you this over here because it's a proper box, otherwise it will take some more time. So I will explain you here. Okay, so in the base class, let's type overflow, and you can see this 4 options. So auto, which defaults overflow text to hidden, and it will allow you to scroll over the particular area. Like, see, you can scroll over this, right? So this is the property of auto. Okay, so consider a situation like you don't have such a long amount of text. Let's use this much. See, Now there is no scroll bar over there and can't scroll anything. Okay, so this is auto. So next, scroll. So scroll is similar to auto, and whenever you have a large amount of text and to be shown by scrolling, it can be used. Otherwise, in the condition like this, it will show a scroll bar over there, which will not be good, right? So if you have such a situation, you have to use auto. Otherwise, you have to hide this particular scroll bar. Next, coming to hidden part. So this will hide the entire text once it overflows the particular container or the div. Okay, see, you can't see after this. Similarly, we can also make for this. So let's type overflow to be hidden. See, actually everything after this box has been hidden. This is due to we had made this as a parent class and this as a child class, and these are all the child of the over class as well as the base class. Okay, okay, that's why everything has been gone. So here let's type overflow to be auto because it's a second class. Okay, see, now we can scroll over here and we have next thing called visible. So it's a default property of the overflow, so it doesn't care so much. So in case you can use it, but like if you're using the media query or some other thing, you have to use it. Okay, so it's a property. So if you use visible, so it will be actually without the overflow property. See, so that's all guys. Do like, share and comment, and if you have any queries regarding this video, do DM us on our Instagram, and if you have any doubts, comment in the comment section. Bye bye guys.